Alright guys, another one guys. Ayun guys, oh. Ayun guys, oh. Pabilis lang guys. Ayun guys, oh. Kabilis mama guys. Sa kabila guys, 1 hour, wala dito. Wala pa sa 5 minutes, 3 agad. Kontis na mama. So guys, so in the 3 minutes guys, 4 pieces agad guys, big size. Oh, another side 1 hour, only 2. Plus now only 3 minutes, 4 pieces, already 6. Very fast. Thank you Lord. Thank you mama in the beach. Thank you mama in the sea. Love you mama. I love you mama. I love you my darling Sacramento, California. Don't forget, thank you for sponsored by Itsuki Sport. Wow, to Papa Jerry. Ano, maayos na guys. Lang, continuous lang. Ay, ito natin guys. Oh. Malit. Malit ba tulay? Oh. Come on boy, come on boy. Malakas ng malit guys, oh. Sige. You make it hard, okay. See that? Bakap. Salamang ka. Hindi ang pagod guys. Slowly. Alright. This is it. We have a dog. Let's go guys. 1 minute in guys, oh. Alright guys. Going low tide and coming raining guys. At least I catching this place like 5. Yeah, 5 plus another side 2, only 7 guys, but that's okay. Yeah. This is it. 2. Let me see guys, 2, 4, 6, 7. 1 mallet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the mallet guys. It's okay. Okay guys, I don't know if I want trying, but I want to push it. Let's go. Yeah, sorry that. yeah, okay. You already mad si mama guys. Kasi I want to pupo. Lanya. Okay guys. Alright. Be funny guys. Okay. Shout out ulit sa nag-sponsor sa amin ng more guys. Itsuki Sportswear guys. And thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I love you mama in the sea. I love you mama in the land. Love you guys. Love you Mar. Love you Mr. B. Love you Mommy Linda in Sacramento, California. Let's go guys. Woo! Alright guys, good morning guys. So, another laban to guys. Hindi ko na kinukunan ng video. Ngayon ko lang kinuha ng video guys. Kasi may hangover ako guys. Kaunti lang inom ko eh. Oh. Banak naman siguro ito guys. Come on darling. Banak ka guys, oh. Daming nga guys, oh. Oh. Talaga malakas ng banak talaga guys. Oh. Yun lang guys. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, 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 come on. Pirsay mo agad guys. Kalaki guys. Big size na guys. Not bad. My wife, very happy again guys. So, nakadalawang maputi, tatlong malit sa Toto Mrs. Sabida. And thank you for sponsor HK Sportswear. Good morning Mr. B and Mami Linda in Sacramento, California, and Aaron in the state guys. Ito lang guys. So malit naman siguro to guys, but malit is very hard guys. That's better mama. Mama is good because mama is bag is very easy to take it. Maybe mama. Big mama guys. All right. Okay. All right, big mama guys. Not bad. Come papa, mama. All right guys. 8:30, 7:30, almost 8 guys. Yan ang huli natin guys. Dumating tayo ng 7:30. 7, yeah, mga 7 guys. Already late. At least still have catching guys. Kuntis lang, Papa Joy. The big mama guys. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Sheila. Guys, that's Peter almost go home guys. Look. But the another side, Mother, please. Some people is fishing there. But the problem is, look at the sky. We have the big wind. Big rain is coming. Yeah. Maybe time to go. 8:15 guys. See? But my problem is, see, the rain is coming. Okay guys. Shout out na sa lahat guys. Wala nating choice. If that rain coming, I'm going, right? See? Not yet catching guys. Only some I fishing another side. I catching 6 already. But I go this place. Maybe I'm moving guys. Wait guys Let's go guys. 8:37 guys. Walang choice. At least nakagit tayong 1 hour and 30 minutes guys. I think like 3 maputi and 4 bumalit guys. Yeah. O 3 malit o 3 maputi ito. Yeah, but a good size. Not bad only guys. At least na talagang guys na ang raining continuous guys. I thought it's not coming this place, but from Silang Canoa going to San Antonio guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video guys. This Tuesday. Not bad my condition na guys. Like I have a hangover na niya only 3 can I drinking last night. Alright, shout out sa California, Sacramento, California, Mama Reldan. Kailangan makalimutan ko talaga mga pangalan guys. Minsan Ma'am Evelyn, Sacramento, Royal Nevada, shout out. Harvest Church, shout out. Pastor Dennis. Okay, God bless you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is again raining again in Saipan. Bye guys. I love you guys. I love you mama. Mama in the sea and Mama in the land. Love you guys. See you soon. May another video, guys. Maybe tomorrow again I want to fishing, guys. Alright, almost every day. Let's go. Yeah.